Now for this, we're going to have an Alexa Echo Show 21 here. Actually, oh, that shit's pressing up against it hard. Okay. I got cardboard shit over here. Close in there. All down here. That thing is actually pretty sturdy. I never used one of these, but it's pretty cool how they work. You tighten these, and that arm, it like comes out and it clamps here and it clamps there. Really, I mean, the thing is not going anywhere. Again. All right. I'll figure out stuff. That's not cool. I think we can do something. I know how to do it. Boil later. No. 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 Okay. So. Just around it. We'll just leave it. I'll do it. Ready. That's what it's ready to go. No. 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 That's fine. Just leave it. Let's do this. Now for this, we're gonna have an Alexa Echo Show 21 here. And for this, we're just gonna do this Legrand, I think it's called a Legrand. Yeah, Legrand. It's got these two little USB-C spots, and it's also got two plugs, so thought that was pretty cool. I've actually had this for like over a year, and I just haven't found somewhere to use it, but yeah, we're gonna put this in. I'll plug this way. I already do that, holding the camera and everything. I was gonna hold the camera. Oh, my hat. I clip. Okay. Go. Alright. Now we're gonna put this stuff back together. Sorry, I'm probably in the way, but pretty much all I'm doing. Alright. Now I'm going to go turn the breaker back on. Alright, breaker's back on. Okay, now let's get the show. The Echo Show. I'm not going to let it go because it's not. Okay, it is hanging on. Now, pop these little bolts, pretty much hold it. You can swivel it. You can change the axis this way, and then also this way too, but I've already got it tightened down for that, so not gonna do that. Go. Don't look. It's good though. Oh no. Okay, so I think the mount covers where the power hole is, so I'm gonna have to take the mount off. Yeah, it does. It's somewhere behind here, so I'm gonna have to take this off, and I'll pretty much just drill a hole wherever that is. Okay. That sucks. Damn, it's like right in the fuck. I think I can still make that work though. Yeah. It's such a bad spot for that. Okay, so that thing sits like right here, so it's gonna have to go through that and through the other piece. Here, here. Here, can I go? It's on there. Man, those. Oh, I'm going to say, it's going to be Alright. Yeah, cool. Just needed to fit just this thick part. Ah, ha. Okay. Now, this is going to sit here. It's going to need to be literally right there. Stand here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, got me a little pilot hole. Gonna make it bigger. Sweep up some of this real quick. Yes, there's fucking metal shards everywhere. Okay. Now make sure it fits here. Yes, it does. Alright. It's gonna go here. Okay. Go ahead and plug it in. So, what's going to happen is this comes through here. Look at this light, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. We'll have this. Comes through here. Oh, wait, wrong way. Wrong way. We'll have this. We'll do this. This is going to be really weird to mount because there's hold it up there. I'm going to plug it in. I'm trying to line it up after the fact. What is this other something? I don't know. USB-C for something. USB, micro USB. Okay. So yeah, and this. Right up. Let's move it though. Move it up. Now let's check if it's level. We will check if it is level. Finally. Perfecto. Okay. You got some kind of wire management, or you can turn it without it not getting caught up. And it's probably going to be setting like this most of the time, though. It's probably just going to be setting right there. Boom.
I know about you. No one brought you all together.